So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I again show you a very important tutorial. And if you are a YouTuber or if you are any other in graphics design related field or an artist, and you want to design your uh, logo, thumbnails, or any other documents. So if you want to give presentation in a very italic type of text or any other things, if you make banner, then this video is for you. Today I show you that how you can install fonts in Photoshop. So as you know that the font is a different this suppose this is a right here control panel. As you can see here, this CONTROLPANEL, this is normal style, but if you use font we can change this into different style. Font means this is a unique style of word that can be changes. So okay, let's show you that how you can install font. So just open Photoshop. Just I want to show you that how you can install font. So just create a new file, create, as you can see here. So just select on text. So as you can see here, so suppose I want to write here. So okay, suppose I want write here YouTube. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a font. So this is a very good style. Suppose if I change it. So okay, if I change it and write it here, as you can see here, this is YouTube. This is, so giving a font means different writing style. As you can see here, both are different. So no more talk, let's see you how to install new fonts. So okay, suppose a good font called Evogria. Okay, type Evogria font. Okay, go to this site, and as you can see here, Evogria, select download. As you can see here, this is downloading here. Okay, so go to folder. Okay, so just extract here. So as you can see here, this is Evogria. So I show you that Evogria is not listed here. Okay, Evogria is not listed here. As you can see here, Evogria is not listed here. So okay, so how to install? So just select right on the and place install. As you can see here, let's search on Photoshop. As you can see here, Evogria is coming. So okay, as you can see there, this is Evogria. So as you can see here, this an image, this the style is changes. So this is the process that how you can install any font on Photoshop. So how to do it, I again say you, just go to your font file like this type font file. Okay, a font file like this type of, as you can see here, this is the extension called open type font file. So just click on that and select install. So Photoshop will automatically install it for you. So okay friends, this is the process that how you can install for font in Photoshop. If you like this, friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video among with your friends.